Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine and I am also well. Today, you know that this is the day of our 6th English practice speaking day. So, today I also share you how I am improving my English every day and speaking with yours every day. So, I am very glad that you are watching me here. So let's start.
So viewers, you all know that every day we don't practice about a specific topic. We just practice uh, about random topics. So for this, we also today randomly speak, and because we don't need to first time perfect say you that you don't think that this is an advice. I just say this that this will be help me uh, to apply in my life these talks, and also you if you want then also you can get help from this my talks. So uh, practice all every day, daily practice, and because daily practice makes a man perfect. Practice and consistency, daily practice consistency means daily practice makes a man perfect. So practice every day, not for English. If you want to gain a skills, you need to practice, and also you need to mind a thing that the people who succeed already, you 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 know or not, this is not that they doing a thing perfectly. For doing a thing perfectly, they had to need this task or this work countless time. So you also need this. For speaking a sentence fluently or perfectly or confidently, you need to speak a lot of this sentence again and again. So speak every day. Speak English every day in front of a mirror, and you also doing a thing that you don't need to go out. If you have a room that don't came there, then you also by locking your door you can practice, you can speak randomly loudly, and also you can do this in front of a mirror, standing in front of a mirror, and also you can record this. And if you don't have any room, your personal room, then you can do this by coming out. And this is the best way to speaking practice, I think, that because if you come out from your room, and if you can see a lot of things, a lot of natural things, that tree, dog, car, sun, sky, paddy fields, street, a lot of things. Then you also speak. It is also will help to speak English your, because when you see these things, you try to speak by seeing that. See, this is dog. This is trees. That trees is, all these trees are green. Sky is blue. This is natural environment, a lot of things. And also you can you can get, you also get fresh air, and which also help you to fresh your mind. So practice every day, and come out from your home and speak randomly. You also can do another thing, that when you come out from your home, then you also can use headphone in your ears and listen to a English broadcast or any English speech, which also will help to your listening habit. So that's all for today, and practice every day and learn something new all day, every day. And if you find this video fruitful for you, then you also can share with your friends this video and also your profiles. And that's all for today, and have a good day.